How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can download Alight Motion in your desktop. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in Download Alight Motion PC. As you do so, click onto the first search result. You will land onto this page, and here scroll below and you will see Download Alight Motion. Click onto it and your Alight Motion will be downloaded. If not, you can also use BlueStacks application in order to download Alight Motion. Open up your BlueStacks, at the top search bar type in Alight Motion, and this is the application that you should download, so click onto it. And once the installation is completed, that is how you can download it in your PC. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.